On Friday, I started at Knole Park, going for an hour run. It was a beautiful day. I enjoyed seeing a lot of people out there, and honestly, just soaking it all in. The deer are sort of ever present throughout the park. A lot of people come to see them and enjoy them. All of this is adjacent to a pretty major village in southeast England, in Kent. And I'm pretty sure these deer are historic in some way. This just was a great start to a long weekend to get out there. On Saturday, I went with my wife to the Medway estuary just off of the Thames estuary. This was low tide, and while she was looking through the mud, looking for artifacts from an old Victorian dump, essentially, I ran up along the coast. It had that beauty and smell associated with low tide, and I'm always fascinated by the way that the Thames works, or really any tidal body of water. All these boats that normally would be in the water, essentially on land. We actually found some pretty cool things. A Victorian ink bottle, a number of melted bottles. That's what they used to do with essentially the waste. They'd bring it down here. On Sunday, it started a little bit less beautiful, and yet, in some way, I thought it was the most beautiful day. I got up early because we were going somewhere later, and loved how the sun shone through the trees and started to eat through the mist. Running across farms and through woodlands. It was a peaceful start to the day and a great weekend of running just around my home.